Today I'm diving into one of the latest advancements in military technology, China's WZ-9 Divine Eagle. This isn't just any drone, it's a game changer in the world of stealth detection. Now let's set the scene. Stealth technology has been a pivotal element in modern warfare, allowing aircraft to evade radar detection and penetrate enemy defenses. But with the introduction of the WZ-9, China is looking to turn the tables. So what makes the WZ-9 so special? It's the world's first anti-stealth drone, specifically designed to detect and track stealth aircraft. The WZ-9 utilizes a combination of advanced radar systems and artificial intelligence to identify even the most elusive targets. Its dual-band radar system can pick up on the faintest radar cross-section, meaning traditional stealth capabilities might not be as effective anymore. During its recent demonstration flight, the WZ-9 showcased its impressive capabilities. It was able to detect and track a number of stealth aircraft in real time, providing critical data that could be relayed back to command centers. This kind of real-time intelligence is invaluable in modern combat scenarios. And not only are stealth aircraft detected, but their communications are also compromised. That's a serious tactical advantage. The introduction of the WZ-9 marks a significant shift in military dynamics. For years, the United States and other nations have invested heavily in stealth technology, believing it to be the ultimate advantage. But with the WZ-9, that advantage is being challenged. Now it's and hit the bell icon for more updates on cutting-edge military tech. Until next time, stay informed and stay safe.